Long run time. These clippers feature convenient cordless use options with 60 minutes of cordless runtime. Long-lasting easy-to-clean stainless steel precision blades enable no-snag cutting. A smooth cut every time, powerful, long-lasting, rechargeable battery and self-sharpening steel blades that stay sharp longer and are removable for easy cleaning. The Perfect Grooming Kit, including 12 attachment guards for home haircutting trimming with everything you need to achieve the style you want. Give the gift of quality, makes great personal gifts for the men in your life. Dads, husbands, and boyfriends will love this top-rated precise clipper for any occasion. The brand used by professionals, Wahl clippers and trimmers have been used by professionals in the salon barber industry since 1919, featuring self-sharpening precision blades quality construction. Top reviews from the United States. Great clippers. This time I did a ton of research on which ones to get because I knew that I was going to buy a brand name kind. These ones got great reviews on a bunch of websites and they were decently priced for Wahl pair of clippers, so I decided on these.